Hey YouTube, how you all doing? Found the missing box, right? Found all the games for my Nintendo 64. As you guys know, I just recently fixed my Nintendo 64, as well as my Super Nintendo. Found the games. Here they are. Some of them we purchased new, some of them used back in the days. Here are the games for Nintendo 64. It's a cool collection. And what I need to work on next is the Gamecube. Debating whether the Sega Dreamcast right there first or the Gamecube. Let's see. So far, this too, Super Nintendo and Nintendo 64 did not boot properly. Something's wrong with it, but now fixed, both of them. I'll put a link on the description on how I fixed them, but again, I'm eyeing either the GameCube or Dreamcast right there. I got light guns, and of course I have the, what do you call that? The shoot 'em up game, House of the Dead, so that'll be fun. And as a matter of fact, I'm going through all my game consoles right now. I got some Nintendo right there, excuse the mess. And I recently purchased that Sony Wega right there. And the sole purpose of that is the Sega Dreamcast, right? Because those Sega Dreamcast light up guns, or light guns, they do not work on modern TV monitor, LED or LCD or plasma for that matter. So anyway, looking forward to that. I know for a fact the Wii is working. I have limited games on that one, but it's enough. But again, looking forward to getting the Dreamcast going. There's my Xbox original one. It's modded. It has a hard drive in it full of games. So I hope it boots up still. So here they are, and of course we got Nintendo DS games as well. And what is this? Gameboy Advance. Here are the games. It's a nice collection. And Game Boy Color. And the accessories that came with it. So it's going to be fun going through all this game consoles, including the handhelds, and see if they're working or not. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Here are all the other piles. Got Xbox 360. More games. This is an interesting find right here. Look at that, emulators. That PlayStation right there must be chipped as well, because I see a bunch of backups in here. That's going to be fun. Gran Turismo, baby. PlayStation 1 for sure. That'll be fun. There's PS2, Slim Edition. Look at that. Still sealed. I think those microphones for PlayStation. What else is in here? Steering wheel for PlayStation 2. Xbox 360. Ah, look at this. Very PS2 as well.